what is the simplest form of the expression representing this quotient? Once again, I'm going to rewrite this, and I actually have it already rewritten, and then we're going to work it out. There is one little interesting tidbit on this particular problem, but we are dividing, so I just want to remind you the saying again: when dividing, don't ask why, flip the second one and multiply. So we'll look at the problem here. So when dividing, don't ask why, flip the second one and multiply. So 1 over y plus 6, that's not going to change. But we're going to flip the second one. So it's going to be 3y minus 24, and then down here it's 8 minus y. Well, the only thing that I see that can be factored is this 3y minus 24. So I'm going to write up here. I hope I left myself enough space. So we have 1 over y plus 6 times, well, what we're doing with this particular factoring is we're factoring the greatest common factor of 3. And when we factor out of 3, we're left with y minus 8. And down here, this is 8 minus y. Well, the thing is, y minus 8 and 8 minus y are almost the same thing. But if you do want to get technical when you're dividing, once we get to this point here, what we're looking for is something that's exactly the same on the top and the bottom. And y minus 8 and 8 minus y are not exactly the same. But we can make them the same. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a negative here. But if I add a negative in there, then I need to add a negative in here. And I need to add a negative in front of the 8, or I need to change that sign there. So it didn't change anything. If you look, if we distribute, negative 3 times negative y is positive 3y. Negative 3 times positive 8 is negative 24. So we didn't change anything. But what happens is now we have 1 over y plus 6 times negative 3. And then this says negative y plus 8, which we could rewrite as 8 minus y. Here's the 8. There's the minus y. And then here's the 8 minus y. And then we can be very close here. Do we have anything exactly the same on the top and on the bottom? Well, we have 8 minus y, 8 minus y. When we multiply, we're going to multiply the top of the fractions together. So 1 times negative 3. And then we're going to multiply the bottoms. Well, the only thing that we have left on the bottom is y plus 6. We cannot cancel out the negative 3 and the 6, by the way. You have to be able to factor to cancel, and we can't do that. So when we type this in, what we're going to end up with is we're going to end up with negative 3 over y plus 6. Whoops. And then y plus 6. And there's our answer.